Welcome to the EasyTraders Academy. In this video we will show how to use Japanese Standard. It is ultimate trading strategy for newbies. Just open your account and carefully follow the instructions on the screen. Summary of the strategy. First case. Look for when the price reaches the level of support. Wait for an engulfing pattern to appear. Open an up trade. Another case. Look for when the price reaches the level of resistance. Wait for an engulfing pattern to appear. Open a down trade. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a successful trade. Please subscribe to our channel for more useful information. It was the EasyTraders Academy team. Bye.